cat's out of the bag, and here's an announcement. I'll be experimenting with international dropshipping very soon. So far I have been working with international companies. I had been working with Indian e-commerce companies. I have my own e-commerce store, but here's the problem. A lot of people want to start their international dropshipping stores, and I thought, like, hey Jayan, let's give it a try. So when I was exploring through this entire jungle of dropshipping, what I came across is the biggest problem that most dropshippers face is shipping delays. AliExpress to your destination country, it takes more than like 20-30 days to deliver sometimes, right? If you want faster shipping, you have to pay for it, which is expensive and which cuts down your profit margin, which is again another thing that we cannot afford. And this is why I have been searching for different alternatives, and in this way I am planning to document my international dropshipping journey as well. In this video, we'll be talking about CJ dropshipping. So I have been looking at CJ dropshipping as a possible alternative for AliExpress, and let's explore how it is. I kind of like the interface. I kind of like what they are doing. I love the shipping times as well. And well, let's have a review. Let's look at CJ dropshipping as a potential dropshipping marketplace. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so let me quickly minimize myself. Okay, I'm here in the corner right here. All right, so we are done. So let me get into the thing. So this is CJ Dropshipping website. You just have to type in cjdropshipping.com and this is it. And the interface is pretty much intuitive. Let me just quickly sign in. If you want, you can register for free. It does not cost a dime. Give me 1 second. Let me just quickly log in. Skip. I have been using it for quite a while. All right, so here is it is. Why I loved CJ dropshipping is the fact that I can filter products based on videos, right? So I have been looking at some of the products. Let's just find a winning product. Okay. All right, so when we go to niche scraper, I think we'll find our products faster here. So what niche scraper does is it will give you like the hand-picked most winning products. So let's just go to hand-picked option and find some products for ourselves. This is wooden handmade kaleidoscope. There is no use for this one. Trimming electric nail clipper. Okay, this is something that we can use. So let me just quickly see. All right. This is cool, right? So this also gives us, okay, this is manual. It's not automatic, right? Is it? Oh, okay. So the electric thing okay, it goes on in the back. Nice. So this is one product that we can sell. Let's find this out and CJ dropshipping. So what you can, by the way, if I just check out the AliExpress supplier link, what happens is, let's see what is the shipping time. Let's say we are selling it on United States, and let's see what are the issues that we face here. Oh wow, estimated delivery on March 10. So this is insanely delayed. March is like more than a month away. So March 10, like, right, 40 days of waiting time. So we don't need that. Let's just find this product out in cjdropshipping.com and let's see what are the possible alternatives. So this one costs $14, and here we have this, yeah, electric nail clipper trimmer. Again, this is here. So let's open these things up and let's see if we can find a better shipping time right here. And also, by the way, you can filter your search results based on, I think somewhere, wait, yeah, product videos. So you can find products with videos only, which is awesome. Like, I love this particular feature because you kind of find out your ads as well right here. So here you see shipping cost is $9. So taking the total drop shipping price is priced to $27. But what is the shipping time? All right, so here it is. 25 to 35 days, which is very much too high. Okay, then again, here the here we are paying $10 more, almost $11 more, and it takes 8 to 20 days. Again, I would not go for this one. I would go for lower shipping options. If we check, okay, we are selling this. $10 is the one. Mm. All right, so here you go. 8 to 20 days. It costs $6 only. So if we just check this one, shipping cost, if we just put it at like, okay, this one, 8 to 18 days. CJ packet sensitive, right? And we just use this. Let's see if they have any other shipping times. No. So now we have 8 to 18 days delivery time, which is awesome. 1 to 3 rate processing time. So processing time is the time that takes them to pack the product and like basically put the labels and stuff like that, all those things. It takes them 1 to 3 days. So let's take on an average, it must take them like 2 days. And let's say it takes like 8 days to deliver. Still, it is 10 days, right? 10 days total delivery, which is awesome. And let's say we are talking about 18 days delivery, it's still like 20 days. It's less than the AliExpress alternative. And how much we are spending? So $12 on the product itself. Okay, total drop shipping price is $18. And this here, we like the price is like $4 less. I won't be competing for $4. I mean, this is obviously a huge deal right here. On top of it, people are selling it at $30, right? And let's say we price it at a little bit higher price. Cost per acquisition is $3 to $6, which is awesome. Let's check out the store selling this product. We'll also check it on Amazon. Wow, see, this person is selling it at 35.9, $36, right? Obviously a great deal to have. And this is it. This is awesome. Like CJ Dropshipping is the better alternative for AliExpress is what I feel. Let me see what is the time they are uh, showing up, showing off, shipping time. Usually a lot of people, orders will be processed within 7 days of ordering and shipped out the next day after the processing day. Okay, so they have not added the shipping time, which is something that I would be adding ideally. All right, so this is cool. We found one product, and let's check out something else. Like this is available on Amazon, and people are selling it on Amazon for $33. And so you see, this is obviously a better competitor for AliExpress, and I would be going with CJ Dropshipping only if I'm going at all. Another feature that CJ Dropshipping has is its print on demand features. I feel like this is one of the best features of CJ Dropshipping because you don't have to depend on other print on demand suppliers for CJ Dropshipping, and the amount of selection, the amount of products here is insane. Like I got like this one, right? Customized, moon lamp. Here is a customized dog tag and everything. This is awesome, right? And when I came across this is like insane. This is a great gift to give as well, right? So if you are having a domain on animals, right, you have some upsells to give right here, customized things. And I love this, like because we have so many print on demand options, this is obviously a better alternative to stuff like Printify and stuff like that. Oh wow, we have something like this is also there. Like, can we add something here? We have a hair removal machine. Let me see if we can have our nail polish thing or the nail thing here. Let me just quickly, can we check? I'm not sure. Let me click on view more. And okay, we can design this as well. Awesome. So that is the printable area. We can design this. I mean, come on, this is insane, right? If I put a text, let's say hair trim, never hair, okay, laser hair or something. Oh, wow, this is awesome. So I got an insane upsell idea, dude. Like imagine if you sell this one, and the upsell is if you want a customized printing like this, let's say you can gift it to somebody and print their name on it. This will be so awesome, right? Let's say if our customers want to write a happy birthday message, Okay, I don't know this. Okay, we need to delete this one, right? So, or we can just edit this one. Happy birthday, Jayant. This is also great. Like we can charge them another $10-15, right? Let me just put this. Let's save this. Let's say US, select all. Shipping method also we can use. Oh wow. Okay, let's just use any shipping method for now. There is the input title needed. Let's say never hair or something like that. Please select style. Okay, select all. Shipping method. All right, so let's just CJ packet air and put this thing in there. Let's see how much it costs. Let me view this. So the product price is $66, which is very high, but I don't know how much it is selling for. So we'll have to do some research on that. Let's say laser hair removal machine. Let's just quickly find it on ad library. And let's see how much people are selling it on. And if we can, on top of this, if we can customize it, like nothing like it, right? So this costs $66. So I was checking out this push-up board as well. For some reason, it's not going. Okay. We can just go to United States on ads. Let's put laser hair removal. All right. So a laser hair remover will put. Yeah. So people are selling this, and this is how it looks, right? So yeah, it's kind of similar to that. I can't find the exact product, but I guess this is the product that we have. My skin is now so smooth by just using this in the comfort of my home. Look, it gets rid of my hair for. Yeah, this is the one. So let's just click on shop now. All right. Oh wow, this is being sold at $249. This is awesome, right? And like this is literally you can put your own brand image and sell it. Like $249 for a product that costs like $66 as a price. Shipping cost is this. Total drop shipping cost is $84, $85. And in terms of delivery, let's pick this one because anyways we are paying $18, 17, $18. Let's pick this. Oh wow, there is let's just go for this one, DHL official, which is 3 to 7 days delivery. It still costs like $100. We can sell it for $249 because these people are selling it on um, $249, and this is much better, right? This is awesome. So why not go for this at, like this is awesome, right? So total cost is $100. You can sell it for $249. Even if your cost per customer acquisition is $50, dude, you are still in $100 profit, right? Nothing like it. So definitely go for it. On top of it, you can give them a customization option. Like if you want to print happy birthday, we can give it that as give that as well, which is great, right? So cool. So this is something that I love about CJ dropshipping, and I've been thinking like if I am getting any product around it, I will definitely do something like this and go ahead and start my e-commerce store. So this was one of the what do you call? This is one of the suppliers that I'm looking at, and I think you can source as well. You can get a request to source some product, warehouses. Yeah, so you can do some sourcing as well. You can request a particular product. Let's say there is a product that is available on AliExpress and it is not available on CJ Dropshipping. You can literally request a request, and there will be some suppliers who can source it for you, or the team of CJ Dropshipping can find the product for you, which is awesome. On top of it, you can also request for product photography and videography. So customized video is done for you right here. So I have not done it yet, but you can absolutely create one, like post photography request. And this is a client's product that client's website that I have been working with, and obviously I'll be blurring this out. So but this is the product that I am working with CJ Dropshipping and everything, and these are the products that we have imported. And if we want some photography request, customized photography request, we can directly ask these people and basically get some good unique photographs for us, which is awesome, right? And let me just quickly select one and submit one. Okay, we have the shooting type as well. Okay, okay, so if you click on photo and submit, this is what comes up, and click on sourcing, and let's see if they can, what happens. All right, and done. My photography request is submitted, and this is pending. Store, view details. I don't think there is any price to it. If there is any price to it, I'll create a video on it, like how to create photography requests in CJ Dropshipping. And I feel like this is one of the best ways to get good quality photographs for your own product as well. Because the other route is you order one product, give it to a freelancer on Fiverr, they create the photograph for you, then you post it on your store, which is a very, very lengthy process, and I don't like it. And this is something that helps you reduce that particular time frame as well. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. This is why I'm kind of loving CJ dropshipping. And yeah, going forward, I'm thinking like I will go with CJ dropshipping as my supplier for dropshipping in international platform. I kind of love that laser hair removal machine. $249 is a great deal. I think we can create a single product store and start selling them as well. And yeah, let me know what you think about CJ dropshipping. Have you considered? Are you considering CJ dropshipping or not? And if you want to sign up, there will be a special link. Obviously, I'm an affiliate of CJ Dropshipping now. By the end, by the time I publish this video, I'll be an affiliate for CJ Dropshipping, I guess. So there will be a link in the description. If you ever want to use CJ Dropshipping service, you can click there and get yourself some uh, service as well. And I'll get a little bit of commission on your order if you are ever using. I hope you got some value out of this particular video. If you got some value, put value in the comment box and let me know what you think. If you know of any other alternatives of AliExpress, do let me know in the comments, and I'll be exploring them as well. All right, so far CJ dropshipping is something that I am loving, and we'll be going forward with that. Thank you very much for watching, and do like, share, subscribe, whatever the kids say these days.